So for the oven, we're very straightforward. It's very easy to clean it. And we have this. I'm normally using this product, which is Oven Pride. It's like £4, like £5 in the supermarket, and it really does magic. So this one, it has like a little bag here, and this is used for the pots and stuff. And it gives me some gloves as well. This is a very high concentrated chemical, so it should not interact with the skin because it's very dangerous. So it gives you allergy. All right, so that's the product that we normally. So what I do, we first shake the product, okay, and then I have several things. I have the product. I have normally it's a black cloth, but I'll use a used blue one. And we have a little sponge as well dedicated for this. So I have the little sponge here. So what we do, we shake this product and we apply it anywhere we need to get rid of the stains and the dark stuff. And then we just distribute it everywhere, and we leave it for like 10 minutes to soften up. So this is a very strong chemical, and normally it's very, very efficient for ovens and barbecues and stuff. So we put a little bit here as well, and we do everywhere. Okay, we distribute it everywhere. Let's take this away. Okay, and we just leave it in. Okay, we leave it in for like 10 minutes. Make sure you do it here as well. You can see it's already black. It's already coming out. Okay. Now, until this one gets soft, what we do, we take all the pots from inside the oven and we put it inside this bag. Okay. So we open the bag because it's sealed. Okay. And we put all the dirty kind of lines. It's specially made for this. Okay. Yeah. Everything that is dirty and stained, we just introduce it here. All right. Okay. And then we put the remaining of this inside this bag. I normally, because it's quite big, I put it like this. And then you just pour it on top. Okay. All right. Then what we do, we seal the bag. That's why it's specially sealed, because we will shake it in a minute. It's like when you prepare the chickens in the bag. This is like this amazing way to prepare chickens. Okay, so what I do, I'll just wrap it up like that and then shake it. Just to make sure that this liquid is going everywhere. From one side to another. And then you leave it for 20 minutes inside the bag. Okay? Make sure you distribute it everywhere. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll put this one on the side. Let it soak in. Meanwhile, I'm checking what's happening inside the oven. So I just have simple warm water here for the sponge, because once we start cleaning, if you will see, so for example, this is dirt, yes? We put already the cream, so it's like already in, and we just do soft movements, and you'll see that these stains will disappear. Mhm. And this is a little bit of a soapy chemical, so it creates a lot of soap, and that's why we have the pot with the water to rinse it off. You see, it's already becoming black because it's coming up. It's a very good product. If the oven is very, very dirty and it has like black stuff, like um, cooked food, black cooked food, then you leave it a little bit longer than 20 minutes, as long as you make sure that it's not drying up in a way, okay? So I have to rinse it because it's already dirty, and you can see where it is coming out nicely. This is very strong. I will do it fast because I don't want this video to be too long. Yeah, you can stop it a little bit, and then I will wipe it with a cloth. So we do all the sides everywhere, yeah? We're getting rid of the black matter and the soap. And then we change the water and we do it with the cloth, with the black cloth or the gray one. We don't have the gray and the black one, but I'll use a blue one for now. Okay, I'm changing the water. You see, it's all dark because we got rid of the clean water here. We don't need to put anything inside because the chemical is so strong that it doesn't need anything. And then I'm just, because when the cloth is wet, it absorbs the soap and everything better. So normally should be a gray or a black cloth. Okay, we're cheating now. We don't have it in storage. You can see that the dirt is coming out. Very important to clean it here as well, like inside, because it collects a lot of food inside. And it doesn't ventilate well, so you have to do the corners. And now I will go in. Okay. So, are you ready to see what's coming out? This is all burned food. Okay. So you go on the shelves everywhere, on the back, on the sides. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we cleaned it as much as we could. If we do it like, if there is some reminiscence of like dirt, like cooked food inside, we just do it another time in a couple of days, and we will get rid of it. Okay. Now we want to focus on the tray that I put it 20 minutes ago. So we have the trays here, which was soaking in 20 minutes ago. Now they're ready to come out. Okay. So we unseal the bag, very simple. Drop it gently inside the sink. Okay. and we use that little sponge that we used earlier just to rub it in. Okay, you can see it's already black. So it's the same as inside the oven. Just we rub the dirt and then we just rinse it. Okay, on both sides, everywhere. I'll leave it on the side like that. And now we go with this ones because normally the grill side is very dirty. So we do each line. Bam, 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 bam. Give extra care here in the middle. Yeah. We turn it around. Okay, you want to see? All the dirt went off. Okay. This one looks like new. I didn't take photos before and after. Voila. It looks like new, brand new. It's already looking like new. All the dark stuff went away. Okay. And once you cook, once you use the oven, just make sure you leave it to like make it for 5-10 minutes hot to 200 degrees, just to kill all the reminiscence of the chemical, and after that put the food inside. Okay, so that's it really. Voila. And voila. So our oven is ready.